I'm at the Melody Farm Shopping Center in Vernon Hills, which hosts a huge array of shopping and dining options, and I'm headed across the road for a tour of one of Sweet Home's furnished apartments at the Milton. The Milton has an outdoor pool and sun deck with shaded grilling and lounging areas, and a spacious courtyard with golf, bocce, and more, and a private dog park. The clubhouse has a spacious, high-ceiling great room and adjacent spaces for hosting a small gathering or a business meeting. The 24/7 Fitness Center has cardio and strength training equipment, free weights, and Peloton bikes. I'm in apartment 1125-404, looking over the home office desk toward the courtyard and pool, turning into a spacious, open-plan living dining kitchen area. It's comfortably furnished. It's a large screen TV, plank flooring and high ceilings in the living areas. Breakfast bar peninsula. It's white quartz counters, deep, wide, undermount stainless steel sink that has a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. A separate dining table. Room is large enough to entertain in. There's a pantry closet with shelving, 4-burner electric range, built-in microwave and dishwasher, French door refrigerator, tile backsplash, and since we're in a Sweet Home apartment, we have all the countertop appliances, cutlery, cookware, dishes, everything you're going to need to feel right at home. Just bring your suitcase. Looking at the front door entry, turning toward the bedroom and bath area. Coat closet off to my right, with an ironing board. Straight ahead, side by side, in-unit washer dryer. Just to the left of that, there's the linen closet. And turning toward the bath. The stylish bath, white vanity, back of drawers for storage, wood frame mirror up above, and a soaking tub. Heading back into the bedroom, it's carpeted. There's another TV, queen-size bed and nightstands, and there's a walk-in closet with both shelving and hanging space and extra linens. Sweet Home has a variety of offerings at the Milton, and they're all a sweet deal. Head to Sweet Home's website to see more information and Sweet Home offerings in other locations.